My granduncle was here over 100 years ago. My father inherited the farm from him and I followed on then after my father. Inside the old milking parlour there was rendering in the roof, and 1903 was scratched into the rendering, so it's going back a bit. My name is Edward Fennelly and this is my son Owen and another son Liam. We're milking cows here in Jamestown, Mullinahone, County Tipperary. We've recently installed a 20-unit Dairymaster milking machine with sequential baling. We have the commander units, automatic cluster removers with a cluster cleanse. We have a diversion line installed, drafting gate, a backing gate. There's an auto washer on the milk machine, and we also put in a Dairymaster milk tank.
My favourite feature would be the drafting unit, because it's just so easy. You can type in a cow and she'll walk out herself and you're not opening and closing gates or anything. She'll be drafted out then waiting for you at the end of the milk. We used to have a gate and go out ahead of the cows and try and divide them with a gate. So there'd have to be two people there to try and draft out cows, and now we don't need anyone. Drafting unit will do it for us.
The most beneficial part of the new parlour is the cluster cleanse, controlling cell count and spread of mastitis.
We always had a fairly good cell count, but it's even better now. We've had far fewer cases of mastitis so far this year. It was taking us nearly 2 hours in the morning at peak milking last year, whereas now we have the cows milking just shy of an hour.
It's easier on the cow too. Cow flow, and they used to be walking out steps and there's no steps, it's all level floors, and they walk away and they're happy as well. It's easier milking when they're happy.
They're spending less time standing on concrete then as well. They're spending an extra 2 hours a day out at grass rather than standing on concrete waiting to be milked. For the future, I suppose, we'd like to milk more cows, rear all our own, be self-sufficient. Milking is not as big a chore as it used to be. We're more relaxed milking, and it just isn't as big a chore.